gusting northwest. It was fair.
Finally.
The temperature was 70 degrees. The wind was northwest at 12 miles an hour. Delta 8. This is a weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and the emergency during potentially dangerous weather situations. This is a receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending severe weather and or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. These receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. Wind charges will report existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday. The test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-winter day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. The coastal waters forecast for the following. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from 11 a.m.